NASA created this huge facility to test out their rocket engines. Every time they conduct a test, an enormous amount of hydrogen and oxygen gets mixed together. As a result, these engines are basically pumping water vapor into the atmosphere. After about an hour, this water vapor will eventually fall back down as rain. Person pulled her car over because she heard a strange sound coming from her engine.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my god! Dawaj, Kido. He's the world champion in basketball freestyle.
Over 250 Amish men gather together to help move a barn. Sweden has begun creating electric roads for people to drive on. These roads will charge your car while you drive on it.
The car will automatically sense the power unit and start recharging the internal battery, once again leaving you to fully concentrate on driving. There is no electrical outlet or cords. The induction plate could even be built into your driveway.
This guy made himself his own automatic M&M launcher. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!